Hello, this is Farouk Sisik with Cavalry Realty here in Lancaster. Just want to let you know about a new listing coming up for sale. This is 1380 Orchard Street in Lancaster, Manheim Township. This property offers a living room, dining room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and 1 full bathroom. It does have gas heat and central air. It's gonna be listed at $210,000. So if you're interested, give me a call or a text to schedule a showing. My number is 717-669-2603. Thanks. So now I'm gonna show you the interior of this property at 1380 Orchard. So as you enter the property, you will be entering into the living room here with nice flooring, plenty of windows that will provide natural light. Then we are going to move over into the dining room with a storage closet here, and this is the kitchen that offers plenty of cabinets and also plenty of counter space. It does have a dishwasher, nice large sink here, and gas cooking. We're gonna head over to the second floor with a nice wide staircase. So the first bedroom is in the front. Again, offers plenty of space, plenty of windows. Does have a closet as well. This is the hallway. And this is the full bathroom, modern bathroom. And this is the bedroom number 2, which is in the back and overlooks the backyard. And that's it for this property. Again, if you are interested in taking a look, give me a call or text at 717-669-2603.